Welcome to our channel, Earn and Inspire. In today's video, we'll discuss YouTube automation. If you want to earn passive income without showing your face on camera, this video is perfect for you. We'll explain everything step by step so you can start your successful automated YouTube channel. What is YouTube automation? First, let's understand what YouTube automation means. Automation means most of the work is delegated or automated, so you don't have to do everything yourself. For example, you research a topic, hire someone to write the script, outsource voiceovers and video editing to freelancers. This model works best for faceless channels such as top 10 videos, motivational content, tutorials and more. Choosing the right niche. Having a profitable niche for your channel is crucial. Popular niches include number 1, tech reviews, number 2, finance, e.g. cryptocurrency, number 3, health and fitness, number 4, motivation and quotes, number 5, facts and science search tools like Google Trends, YouTube Analytics, and Keyword Planner to choose a niche. Pick a niche that's trending and aligns with your interests. Content creation process. Step-by-step visuals of creating a YouTube video. Number 1, topic research, tools, VidIQ, TubeBuddy, Answer the Public. Look for topics with high search volume but low competition. Number 2, script writing. A good script should be short and engaging. You can hire freelancers on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Number 3, voiceover. Use AI voice generators or hire professional voiceover artists. Tools, Merv.ai, Speechelo, 11 Labs. Number 4, video editing. Use freelancers or software for editing. Recommended tools, Final Cut Pro, Adobe Premiere Pro, CapCut. Monetization and growth. YouTube Studio dashboard with an earnings graph. Once your channel starts growing, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Requirements: 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Monetization methods: ads, affiliate marketing, sponsored videos. Maintain a regular upload schedule and use SEO-friendly titles, descriptions, and tags to grow faster. Building your team for automation, workflow visuals showing team collaboration, and tools like Trello or Slack. To scale your channel, building a reliable team is essential. Roles to consider: scriptwriter for creating engaging scripts, voiceover artist to add professional narration to your videos, video editor ensures your videos look polished and high quality, SEO specialist optimizes titles, tags, and descriptions for maximum reach. Use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or TopTal to hire experienced freelancers. Collaboration tools: Trello or Notion for project management, Slack or Discord for communication. Automating repetitive tasks. Demonstration of using automation tools for YouTube tasks. Save time by automating repetitive tasks. Video upload scheduling. Use YouTube Studio to schedule posts in advance. Thumbnail creation. Use Canva Pro templates for quick, professional thumbnails. SEO optimization. Use tools like TubeBuddy to auto-suggest tags and keywords. Analytics tracking. Use Google Analytics and YouTube Studio Insights to monitor performance. AI tools like ChatGPT or WriteSonic can help generate content ideas or even script drafts. Promoting your videos. Marketing visuals with platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Reddit. Promotion is critical to growing your channel. Social media platforms. Share your videos on Instagram, Facebook, Reddit, and LinkedIn to reach a broader audience. Cross-promotion. Collaborate with similar channels to tap into their audience. Email marketing. Build a subscriber email list and send updates about new videos. Paid ads. Run targeted campaigns using Google Ads or Facebook ads for quick reach. Long-term channel growth strategy. A timeline graphic showcasing growth milestones. Focus on creating evergreen content that stays relevant for years. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments regularly. Host live Q&A sessions to connect with your subscribers. Create playlists to increase watch time by linking related videos. Diversify your content. Experiment with shorts, community posts, or behind-the-scenes videos. Keep updating your knowledge about trends using YouTube Creator Academy and industry blogs. Expanding revenue streams pie chart showing different revenue sources. Beyond YouTube ads, explore additional income opportunities. Sell merchandise or digital products, e.g., ebooks, courses. Offer channel memberships for exclusive perks. Use affiliate marketing with platforms like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Licensing your content to other creators or businesses. Staying consistent and avoiding burnout tips for maintaining work-life balance with calming visuals. Consistency is key, but so is your well-being. Create a content calendar to stay organized. Work in batches, research, scripting, and recording multiple videos at once. Take breaks to avoid burnout and keep your creativity flowing. Outsource when needed to reduce pressure. So friends, this was our complete guide to YouTube automation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and share it with your friends who want to start their own YouTube channels. Subscribe to the channel for more valuable content like this. See you in the next video.